Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال الله تعالى في سورة هود ألف لام را كتاب أحكمت آياته ثم فصلت من لدن حكيم خبير. Translation: Alif Lam Ra. This is a book whose verses are clear, perfect and distinctly explained, which comes from Him who is all wise and all aware. We have discussed about the huruf muqatta'at alif lam ra yesterday. In the remaining ayat, the characteristics of Quran are mentioned, that this book has verses which are very clear and they are perfect and they are explained in an easy format. That is not a complicated book to understand. Anyone with any level of education can read these ayahs and understand it. The meaning of the ayahs are superficial and deep as well. So any reader who is reading the book can get to the depth of the book according to his own capability. This is a miracle, and this could be understood by the fact that if there is an elementary school student, you cannot teach him the PhD books or the doctorate book, because if you teach him the PhD books or the books of philosophy, he would not understand anything. But this is not applicable on Quran. An elementary school student can read Quran and get the knowledge and guidance according to his level, and he will not feel that the level of the book is too high or too low. Similarly, if a scientist, a PhD student or a doctor, engineer or whoever studies Quran, he will find Quran to his level and he will not feel that this book is too basic or too advanced. And this is the true miracle of Quran. Quran, when it was revealed more than 1400 years ago, the people felt that it is talking to them and they did not feel that it is an old book or a book that is too advanced, but it was very applicable and appropriate for these people. And then centuries after centuries, people studied the book, and in every era, people felt that this is exactly about them and it is fully applicable on that time period. And today when we study Quran, we feel the same thing. We don't feel that it is a book for the future only or a book which is too old. The stories mentioned in Quran can never be proven wrong. The predictions that are mentioned in Quran have never been proven wrong and will never be proven wrong. The scientific facts that have been mentioned in Quran have never been proven wrong and have proven to be exact to date. And those scientific facts that have not been proven yet will be proven in the future, inshallah. And it is not possible that anything in Quran will ever be proven wrong. The arrangement of Quranic ayahs and the surahs of Quran is in itself a miracle. Quran is the only book that is memorized from first word to the last word. Even those who do not understand Arabic memorize this book everywhere in the world, and this is also a miracle of Quran. It is impossible to count all the qualities of Quran, but one simple thing can be said, that it is an absolute miracle because it is the word of Allah, who is all knowing, all wise. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.